Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to make a YouTube video. So in order to make a YouTube video, you can basically upload any video on YouTube. But for YouTube, you might want to do a few things that will make it enjoyable for your viewers to watch. For example, you might have your signature's way of saying welcome. For example, PewDiePie used to have PewDiePie, and then Jacksepticeye used to have top of the morning to you laddies. So everyone has their own different type of intro. So I would say get your own creative outburst and create your own intro. Once you do that, you want to have a small outro like, hey, thank you for watching, thank you for sticking till the end, something like that, so that the viewers feel appreciated. And if you want to go a few extra steps, for example, Sentinels over here, I'm just gonna mute them. Alright, it's not in this video, maybe it's in this one. But as Sentinels have this intro videos, they show a short clip of what's gonna be in the video, and then they do this intro picture or short, intro, like this one. See, they just put their name in, their Twitter, Insta, all their feeds, and then they just show a little advertisement about subscribing to them. So these are a few things you can do for your YouTube channel and your YouTube video. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.